This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Kushel. Lennar Homes Trevi model is one of their top open floor plans, hands down. This 2021 Trevi home has been impeccably maintained by the original 2 occupants. It sits on a peaceful, tropical landscape lot in the gated community of Bonita Landing. This quiet community consists of 219 homes surrounding a 40-acre lake. Amenities include a basketball and tennis court, kids and #X2019, playground, fishing pier, and a common grilling area adjacent to 2 gender-specific bathrooms. Food trucks make frequent visits to the front gated common area. The home offers over 2,000 square feet of open-concept living space, 3 bedrooms plus a den, 3 full bathrooms, and large lanai with heated southern exposure pool/spa and plenty of space for entertainment. The house is neutrally decorated throughout, with granite counters, white shaker cabinets, and low-maintenance large-format tile flooring. Farm-style kitchen sink, laundry room sink, and the electric panel have been wired directly for a generator hookup. There is an outdoor kitchen in the pool area, complete with electric and a refrigerator. The low HOA fees include landscaping, irrigation, cable, and high-speed internet. A short distance straight down Bonita Beach Road to the beach and no flood zone. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Kushel at 239-390-4000.